Right now, sweeping changes to schools are a signature away from becoming law. State lawmakers approved a new 105-page bill covering several aspects.
Well, one aspect is not sitting well with the governor. Let's go to ABC Action News anchor Jasmine Stiles. And Jasmine, where do the governor and lawmakers disagree here?
It's a component that not only has the governor and lawmakers not seeing eye to eye, students, teachers, and the public, it seems like we're all split on it. We're talking about arming teachers. Governor Scott already said that he'd rather that authority fall to law enforcement. Even during a CNN town hall with Stoneman Douglas survivors and their families, even Senator Marco Rubio thought giving guns to teachers goes a touch too far. The bill Florida lawmakers approved late yesterday also covers keeping guns from the mentally ill. It establishes a new branch within the Department of Education called the Office of Safe Schools and raises the minimum age to buy a rifle from 18 to 21. Now, it's unclear if Governor Scott will sign the bill as is, but if or when he does, you can get those alerts sent right to your phone through our free mobile app. Live in Tampa, I'm Jasmine Stiles, ABC Action News.